An email containing sensitive information sent to the wrong person is not only embarrassing, but could have serious legal implications. Fortunately, you can take action to help reduce liability by using Vipre SafeSend, an intuitive Outlook and web add-in that helps prevent misaddressed emails and attachments. It requires users to confirm external recipients and attachments to help ensure the correct information is sent to the correct people and improve your organization's compliance with HIPAA, GDPR, and other privacy regulations. The latest version of Vipre SafeSend offers a standalone installation for PCs and a web version which supports Outlook for Mac and OWA. Vipre SafeSend allows you to reduce accidental data loss by asking users to confirm their email recipient and attachment lists for external emails. Encrypt emails containing sensitive content after the user hits send. Run both data loss prevention content scanning rules and client keyword or domain list rules simultaneously with the DLP add-on module. Seamlessly scan files encrypted with Microsoft Rights Management System and expand your group recipient list. In this example, we are preparing to send an email with multiple attachments to multiple recipients. Once the email is written and the desired files are attached, simply click Send. When Send is clicked, the Vipre SafeSend pop-up window will appear. In the latest version of Vipre SafeSend, both DLP content and client keyword rules run simultaneously. The pop-up highlights any recipients, attachments, and sensitive content to be confirmed before sending the email. Here, SafeSend has flagged recipients who should not receive the email and 2 attachments that should not be sent externally. This is based on DLP rules set by the organization. By clicking the Expand button as we've done here, you can confirm domains in a group or remove recipients from the email. Click the X next to the recipient's name to remove them from the email, or check the box next to Select All if you'd like to send the email to all recipients. There is also a warning showing that one of the attachments, the Excel file pay_21, should only go to Client 1, but Client 2 has accidentally been added. You can remove this attachment, or if appropriate, send it by typing Confirm in the field highlighted on screen. SafeSend has also found sensitive content within one of the attachments that needs to be confirmed. The document W9_21 contains content that matches a keyword listed within the DLP rules set by the organization. Again, the attachment can be removed, or if appropriate, send it by simply checking the box to confirm content and enable sending this email. The only thing left to do now is to click Send. You can see here, using the same example, we've prepared to send an email with multiple attachments to multiple recipients. When the email is ready to be sent and the Send button is clicked, the Vipre SafeSend pop-up window appears, flagging any recipients, attachments, and sensitive content. Increase your DLP credentials and ensure your users never send an email to the wrong person again with Vipre SafeSend.